Webflow Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. In this review, I'll dive into Webflow's unique features, strengths, and potential drawbacks, with links to the platform available in the description. Webflow stands out as a website builder that bridges the gap between design freedom and powerful development tools. It's tailor-made for designers, developers, and businesses that need pixel-perfect control without writing code, though coding is an option if you want to push the boundaries further. Webflow offers an advanced design interface that rivals professional design tools like Adobe XD or Sketch, giving you control over every element's layout, positioning, and responsiveness. The platform's CMS is another highlight, providing dynamic content capabilities that make it ideal for blogs, portfolios, and even complex websites requiring custom databases. However, this level of control comes with a learning curve. Webflow is not as beginner-friendly as platforms like Wix or Squarespace. It's best suited for those with a design background or a willingness to invest time in learning its powerful features. Additionally, while Webflow's e-commerce capabilities are growing, they're still not as robust as dedicated platforms like Shopify. It's great for small to medium-sized stores, but might fall short for larger e-commerce operations. One of Webflow's significant advantages is its clean semantic code output, making it a solid choice for those concerned with SEO and site performance. Plus, the ability to export code allows developers to take projects beyond Webflow if needed. Their community and support resources are extensive, with tutorials and forums that help ease the learning process. In summary, Webflow is a top choice for design professionals and businesses seeking a powerful, flexible builder that doesn't compromise on design control. It's perfect if you're aiming for a custom look without getting into the weeds of code, but be prepared for a steeper learning curve if you're new to web design.